Okay, we are going to begin our unit on problem solving. And problem solving is going to tie into determining how to write an expression and then an equation. So the difference between an expression and an equation is that an expression just tells you it doesn't have an equal. So it's an expression of how something happened. And we'll go into that on the next page. But an equation has an equal sign, and you will be able to actually solve. Okay? So that is our goal for Unit 2, is to be able to do all of these things and then solve a problem like this. You should have already taken a pretest. And pretests, there were several students that did a good job and could find the answer, but couldn't use the equation, couldn't determine the equation on a pretest. So we're going to learn how to do that. So let's just start with the basic one-step expression. So there's no equal sign. It's just an expression of what's happening. So if we look at this first one, it says John has $3 and his mom gives him 3 more. So how can we mathematically represent that? Well, we're going to go over here and we're going to type it in. Well, John has $3, so $3. I love that it's underlined. I'm going to unfix that because that just bugs me. $3 plus the $3 that his mom gives him. Guess what? You just made an expression. So that's all you have to do for these. Number 2, my sister bought 2 shirts at $15 each. There are 2 ways to do this. One, you can do 15 plus 15. That's always right. Or you can do 15 times 2. Now notice I used an asterisk there instead of an X, because when you start adding variables, variables are X's. So once you hit 7th grade, we don't use X for times anymore. We use an asterisk, which is the shift and the 8. I want you guys to try number 3 on your own and then come back and see what you get. So I'm assuming you push pause. And then you come back and see if you got it right. Well, this one's a little different because it's working backwards. You've got to think about what's happening. So she gets $50 for her check, $50.25. But then she spends, which means subtract, $30.75. So if you put that, you're good. You're good to go. You've made an expression that expresses that sentence. The next one says, I ordered 12 hamburgers for $1.89 each. So if you remember correctly that there were 2 options here, you have another option. You can say $1.89 plus $1.89 plus $1.89 plus $1.89 12 times. Nobody wants to do that. You can, don't want to do that. So my preference for this expression would be to say, I bought 12 hamburgers times $1.89. Push pause and try the next one. Come back and see if you got it right. Okay, 16 pieces divided by, that's just a slash, the 4 people. You've made all the expressions. Good to go. So on the next page, I'm going to create a next video. And I want you guys to notice that the situations are the same. But I'm not telling you what one of the numbers are. How will this be the same as this? So I want you to try it and then go watch the second video and see if you got it right. So at this point, this video is going to end. You're going to go solve page 2 of this or page 3 of this, and then you're going to go and watch the second video.